Today E39. The projector lens is wobbling. This was repaired before, but they cut it open instead. This needs a full restore. Bulb still good. Look at this cover dirty. Usually it's just the leveling bracket, but this part snapped too. All right. They cut the housing and replaced the bracket. It broke again. This one's fine, but we're replacing it anyway. Parts are discontinued, so you fix it or go after market. All right. Now the projector. We'll have to replace it, right?
Yeah.
Going with a recoated one. Let's pressure wash this. And this needs replacing too. Okay, perfect. Alignment looks good. Now this step motor. It needs to hook onto that latch. Okay, it's hooked. Now the cover. All internal contamination. Nice. Looks good.